Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on localhost. I'll be going through the steps to show you how to install WordPress for free on Windows 10 using XAMPP software that runs on Windows. And on these steps, you will see how to download WordPress CMS and how to install it from zip to your PC so you can run a complete WordPress website using XAMPP on your PC. And WordPress is completely free. XAMPP is also a free software, so you just have to follow some steps to run it on your PC and run it locally. To begin with, you have to start with the XAMPP software. I will not show the installation process of XAMPP because there are many tutorials from where you can learn how to install XAMPP. I will put a link on the description from where you can see how to install XAMPP on your PC. I already installed XAMPP on my PC on the folder XAMPP and then htdocs. After you install XAMPP, you'll find a folder named htdocs where you will keep all your websites here. These are all websites, like this is a website, this is a website, this is websites, all WordPress websites. Try to avoid the C drive and install it on different start and install on a different drive. I install on F because once you start doing the projects, your website folder size will increase, which will affect your PC performance. So if you put aside the XAMPP folder and on a different section like F under F or anything under D, and all this, if you keep adding all the files and if it increases in size, so it will not affect your core PC performance. So it is better to install on a different drive and run from the website. So this is our WordPress websites. So I'm going to show you how to download WordPress. If you go to Google and download WordPress, so from this URL, always download the latest version of WordPress. So I have already installed audio download, so I'm going to cancel the zip folder. As you can see that I already I already have the downloaded zip file and I extracted it here. So what you have to do is copy the main WordPress folder you just got from here and paste it on the htdocs folder. You can see that I have already pasted the folder here, and this is the folder that I got from this website wordpress.org. So from this folder you will be running your website. So you should rename this folder to your project name, like I can give here project project 2. You need the name here, so I copy. So this is the project 2, and then go to localhost, cal project 2, then copy paste the project 2 and enter. It will take some time depending on your PC configuration to go to the folder. Yeah, you just copy paste it. Here when you went to the path project 2, it goes inside this folder, and all these files started to run here on the Chrome browser. Okay. Another step is when you have the XAMPP installed, you have to click here the XAMPP. So as you can see, my XAMPP is already running, like already running, so it's all green. So if you go to if you write here the localhost and the project name and nothing comes out, you have to go and check the XAMPP control panel and click here start and start on everything. So you'll see that the Apache MySQL is running. So and if these things are running, so you will see this screen. Otherwise you will not see the screen, and you have to copy paste here localhost / the correct folder name. If you give any wrong folder name, it will not go inside this folder, and you will see an error. So up till this step everything is fine. So English is selected, and I will click here continue. You can go through these steps, but as I'm showing you, so you don't have to go through these steps. You just have to follow my steps and then click let's go. So here you need a database name where WordPress will live inside the database. So so we need a database name. To get the database name or to make a web database, you have to again go to localhost, LOCAL localhost, then go to php my admin. So this is the URL, default URL that you'll get for installing XAMPP. If you write this URL, XAMPP will return on this page, where you will see that they have all the database and SQL and everything. You have to click on the databases and then database name. You can give any database name. A short one will be good, like project TWO. So you have to you have to know the database name, because you will be using it in the next step. Like you can copy and create. Database is created. Go back to this page and database name, you can paste it here. So so this is the database name for the XAMPP. From the XAMPP you get, and the username may vary depending on your installation. From my XAMPP installation, I got username root and password is nothing. And for example, I know password is nothing, but for example you have something wrong, like to submit. So this will not work because the database connection is not working. So you have to try again, and my password was nothing. Password name, username root, and database host, keep it as it is. And you just have to, for now on, you have to check for these 3 fields. As a beginner, so you have to click here submit and then run the installation. So up to this process, if this is fine, you will see that the part of the installation is complete. So after this step, if everything is fine, you will see that a welcome information needed, site title, WordPress, username, email. So for the project title, you can give here like project 2, anything that regarding your project title as per your wish. I'm for getting it done easy, I'm using username admin, but do not use username admin. And password for username, I'm using 1234, but do not use 1234. Just for the using the steps, I'm showing this username, password, and everything. Confirm password, email address. So you can give here any email address and that is active, and you have access to. Search engine visibility, I don't need here search engine visibility because I'm running this website in my computer, so Google will not able to search this, and I don't need Google to crawl this test website. So you have to remember the admin password and then install WordPress. So our installation is successful, and you have to give here the password you have chosen on the next step. The admin, we gave you the admin and the password. If you can remember 1234. So finally our installation is done. I can visit the site to check the site is working fine, and you are seeing a theme. Our default theme is running, and the theme is 2021. So finally the installation is done, and all the steps are shown. Please like, subscribe, and comment on our video. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to our channel to get the tutorials and development I have done throughout these years, and I've worked with hundreds of clients and thousands of projects, where step by step I'm going to share my knowledge, and you learn how to work with websites and WordPress, PHP, CSS, JavaScript. And my steps are very, 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 very easy to copy or to see. My steps are very much easier to follow, and not a hardcore developer. You don't have to be a hardcore developer to follow the steps. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for your watching.